welcome back to my channel, Sharp Designs by Lakeisha, where I am designing my way through life and inspiring you to do the same. So I'm starting early on this vlog. I have a baby shower in a month. It's going to be at my mom's house because it's for my brother. So I'm going to show you guys the vision before. We're also working on a project. I want to do those super cute arches that are in. So me and my dad went and got some plywood and we're about to cut them. So I want to have arches at the top. So he did a DIY protractor with some string, and you know, he just swooped it on around, drew that out, and then we have another one that is over here on this table that we've cut out. One is going to be about 7 feet tall and the other one's going to be 8. We're basically going to start off by using what we have. So instead of renting tables and chairs, my mom has sprayed all of her tables and chair sets that she's had forever. They're all now gray. She has these 2 here, and we have gray umbrellas to match under those covers. Another table and chair over here by the grill, and then there's 2 more tables and chairs up here, as well as a little sectional, and then more umbrellas. So they're going to be 4 umbrellas at 4 of the tables, and then she has this huge patio space for us to decorate. Hi, Polo. And so we're going to have a backdrop situation to cover up this window here. It's going to be boxwood hedge, and then we're also going to have these huge arches that I'm making that are going to go right here. I'm going to do some balloons and floral things like that. Just wanted to give you guys some behind the scenes. I'll be back in a couple of weeks. Don't jump on me, your nails are sharp. I'll be back in a couple of weeks to finish working on stuff with her. Oh, we got some more stuff from the store. I can show you guys like what the inspiration is for this. So she had bought these furniture stuff like cushions and a rug and all that type of stuff for her backyard area, but due to the big C, she wasn't able to use it. So she's like determined for us to use that for the decor. So that's what the inspiration for the colors and things come from. I wanted to do something a little more modern, a little more neutral, but hey, so I'll check back in with you guys on. I washed my hair and all my curls are pretty much back, and I'm pretty excited about it. It looks crazy on camera because it's like drawn up and dry, but see you guys later. Alright guys, so it's event day. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the behind the scenes for how I created the centerpieces and things like that for this setup. So I started off using some circle styrofoam. I cut a hole in the center because we're going to stick the pipes for the umbrellas through it. And the centerpieces that I made, I bought a variety of flowers from Michael's and Hobby Lobby's, matching the colors that were in the patio furniture covers and rugs that my mom already had at her house. I also got some like pampas grass to stick into the piece for the arch. All these flowers were very beautiful, and I found those dried leaves on Amazon in a 6-pack. I'll try to link everything below for you guys. The first step, I stuck the orange hydrangea into the foam, and I did the same thing for each one all together so that they will all be, you know, kind of the same. And I just spread them out as much as I could all the way around, and I just continue to add in different florals. Follow that up with the red roses, and then the blue roses, the cream sunflowers and cream flowers, a little bit of bunny tails, which are those little furry ones you see sticking up. And then for the backdrop piece, I used a square piece of foam and put some fishnet around it. And then I used some clips to clip the fishnet pieces onto the board, which helped hold it up the whole time. All right, so this is what's going on. I have the bar window here at my mom's house. We're gonna put the boxwood hedge to hide that. Dad is putting up those arches we made. Mom is getting the centerpieces together. Huh? I'll show y'all that in a sec. Alright guys, so this is what's going on. So far we have the boxwood hedge. I did want to get some letters so it can say like bar or something up there, but that's if I have time. We forgot to get it at the store yesterday. This is all using existing furniture that my mom already had for her yard. Got these chargers, napkin, centerpieces I showed you guys that I was making earlier using the foam, and I tried my best to hide the leaves. Use the leaves to hide the foam so I didn't have to go to the store and grab something to wrap around the bottom. I think everything looks super cute though. I'm just gonna have 2 pictures of alcoholic, non-alcoholic beverages over here, the umbrellas, and then we have Over here on the patio area, the same thing. I think it looks really good. And then this is the backdrop area. Grabbed this out of Ross yesterday. It was perfect. We just got a cake, cupcakes, my little flower piece I showed you guys I made over here. And then we have her name that's gonna go up here. My dad actually broke it. I would show y'all what I look like, but I look a hot mess right now. He messed up the name just a tad bit. So we're waiting for this to dry a little bit more before we hang it. But I'm gonna get dressed and I'll come back and talk to y'all so y'all can see my face. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sharp Designs by Lakeisha, where I'm designing my way through life and inspiring you to do the same. Today, y'all, I promise I had intentions on step-by-step in this setup with y'all, but time is of the essence. We were rushing. So I'm gonna show you guys what we set up for today's baby shower. I'm gonna try to give you very detailed voiceover so that you can understand, because I've done a lot of this stuff before, so it's nothing new. It's just, you know, combining it all into a setup. So let me go show you guys what we did. We basically used all the existing furniture that my mom already had in her backyard, including the rug and everything, in which we pulled the colors from for this design. So let's go see. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and make sure you join. Tap the notification bell so that you are notified every single time I do an upload. Hey guys, so this is the final look for the backdrop without the desserts. I'll show you a picture of that a little later. Unfortunately, I did not pick my camera up to do any more vlogging. We were pressed for time. I really wanted to do more balloons, but this was really all I had time to do. I hope that you enjoyed this quick and simple behind the scenes vlog. Comment any questions you have below.